Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys a new 7x16 we just got in stock and on the ground. This one's a 2019 Cargo Craft, again 7x16 insulated with windows. This unit measures 16 feet of total length, so you've got a 14-foot box plus a 2-foot V with this trailer, and it is in a matte black with a blackout package. You guys can see you've got the black diamond plate rock guard here along the bottom and the V-nose guard, which is really a nice feature for that upgraded rock protection there. Triple tube tongue with this unit. It is extended, so you guys will have a good turning radius with this unit as well. Side door has the RV lock and cam bar as well as a gutter, so double lock protection. Two 3,500-pound axles with brakes on all fours and the aluminum wheels. Black diamond plate fender as well. There's one of those windows. We'll take a peek at that more in a second. Stabilizer jacks underneath the rear as well as side vents, so you'll get a natural cross ventilation through this trailer, which is great if you guys are hauling anything with fuel. Rear ramp door does have a spring assist close. You also have the really cool black diamond plate wrap around the rear door jamb, gutter, and then two LED spotlight load lights here off of the rear as well, and then the light switch for that's right there. So you guys can drop this ramp door down and immediately get some load light. Insulated walls and ceiling, and then we've got the awesome pearl green aluminum interior, something different. It's very cool in person. Performance Nudo floor with Maxx. This is a great performing floor. We love these floors. They're great for dirt bikes, UTVs, razors, whatever you guys are using. And then underneath it's Maxx, which is a product that does not absorb the water or the moisture, and that's also on the underneath side of the trailer, so great for longevity purposes there. Overhead Maxx Air roof vent has the bubble cover over it, so it won't leak water in on your stuff. Two 18x44 slider windows with screens. They are tinted, they're lockable. 7-foot interior height, so great for most UTVs and side-by-sides. 3 interior LED puck lights here all along the side, so lighting will not be an issue in this trailer. Here is your light switch for those. Backside of that RV lock, you guys can see has a lock-a-latch and a set of keys. And we have about a 5,000-pound payload capacity with this unit. You guys can see it's all trimmed out along the bottom in black diamond plate. We got all the black trim and then all the green interior as well. So very cool trailer. We'd love to sell it to you guys. If you're in the market for a new trailer, give us a call. 303-688-8485. Check us out online anytime at coloradotrailersinc.com. We also have shipping options available for you guys if you don't live near us. No worries. Give us a call. We'll get you a shipping quote. And as always, we would love to earn your business.